Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fact Hotline. Today we'll be discussing the zodiac sign Gemini. One of the most difficult signs to understand are Geminis. A Gemini is the polar opposite of the Earth signs, particularly Taurus. Mercury, the planet of communication, rules Geminis, so communication is essential. And typically, Geminis certainly talk a lot, sometimes non-stop. If they don't talk much, there will be other evidence of their sign, such as rooms full of books and magazines, endlessly watching TV, constantly on the phone, and so on. Like Sagittarius, Geminis are great learners, wanting to know everything about everything, and often more than one thing at a time. They are incredibly adaptable, and a patient listener would struggle to keep up with an eloquent Gemini's subject changes. And because of all of this communication, they rarely lack a large number of friends, which is typical of air signs in general. Gemini is the third sign of the zodiac and is represented by the figure of the twins, which aims to represent this type's communicative and dualistic nature. Gemini's symbol also encapsulates this duality when seen as the Roman numeral 2. Every year, the sun is in Gemini from around May 21st to June 21st. Gemini is classified as having the positive polarity, meaning being expressive and spontaneous, the air element meaning being intellectual, communicative, and mentally active, and the mutable quality meaning adaptable and variable. Gemini has a highly adaptable and versatile personality, expressing variableness and a desire to adapt to the environment as well as communicate with others. The Gemini personality is adaptable, extremely communicative, versatile, flexible, restless, inquisitive, and enjoys variety and change. Gemini is the archetypal communicator or mediator, nervously aware, witty, chatty, and rarely dull. Mercury, the messenger of the gods in mythology, rules Gemini. Gemini's primary desire is to be intellectually aware and to express that awareness through speech, writing, and all forms of communication. As a result, Gemini makes an excellent teacher, reporter, journalist, writer, storyteller, linguist, or translator. Gemini may appear two-faced and argue each and every side of a question, but this is usually not due to a desire to be difficult or argumentative, but rather because Gemini by nature wants every aspect of a situation to be aired and discussed. In an intellectual sense, Gemini desires completeness or wholeness. Gemini rules the lungs and respiratory system, the arms and hands, and the nervous system. Gemini often remain youthful throughout life, but it should take care to avoid situations of debilitating nervous stress or exhaustion and to be wary of causes of heart and lung disorders. Gemini is particularly associated with or ruled by the planet Mercury. When confronted with a difficult situation, they are quite adept at using their communication skills to solve the problem. They are quite creative, and as they progress in life, they use the knowledge and facts that they have gained over the years to increase their creativity. They age gracefully, and their outlook on life remains youthful. They tend to feel more at ease with people who are open-minded. Even when confronted with a conversation in which someone has an opposing viewpoint to theirs, they are not easily offended by other people's opinions and opposing viewpoints. When they speak, they appear to be quite articulate, and they are known to crack a joke now and then. When they choose to be, they can be quite witty. When forced to make a choice, they often choose what is best for them, and once they've made that choice, they're not afraid to make the necessary changes to make it work. They're naturally inquisitive, love to ask questions, and are quick to pick things up when it comes to something they are interested in. They prefer not to be in situations where there is a large crowd. It can make them jittery or nervous. They don't have a tendency to manipulate people, but they do have the power of persuasion at their disposal, and they are good at it. Although they are good at coming up with really good ideas that could work in the real world, most of the time, they discover that some of them are quite impractical. If they are forced to keep a secret from someone, they are not usually good at it. They adore learning new things and do so at a breakneck pace. The issue is that when they get tired of one idea, they move on to the next. That is, they have a shorter attention span. They have a tendency to shift from one mood to another, which is due to the Gemini's dual nature. Geminis are very charming and can be counted on to make you laugh and brighten up even the darkest of days. Geminis are inspirational and gifted speaker with the ability to speak spontaneously and unrehearsed. They are mentally and physically agile and have a tremendous ability to succeed in business in almost any area they choose. Truth is the highest goal of communication, and you, Gemini, must learn to define it precisely in order to retain the positive aspects of your transforming path. Because Geminis are trying to please everyone, they may have misconstrued the truth. To avoid misrepresentation, Geminis need to stick to the facts without any emotional attachment. Geminis really need to slow down. Their dispersed energies and lack of focus causes havoc in their life. When Geminis are in a rush and trying to do 101 things at once, they make hurried decisions, and these hasty actions might have long-term effects that aren't necessarily good. Geminis come to learn how to listen and focus intently on what's being said, as well as how to assimilate that knowledge. Rather than rationalizing, they need to connect with their intuition and impulses. Geminis must learn to listen to their inner voice as well as the messages their body sends them. Geminis will need to meditate on a regular basis to allow their mind to settle down from all of the chatter that goes on in their head. Meditating will slow down the mind so that all of their ideas can be separated from all of the negative thoughts that will also be running through their mind. Attempt to write down all of this information on paper, preferably with your non-dominant hand. This will both slow you down and allow you to tap into your intuition. Geminis excel at conversing, writing, and manipulating objects with your hands. However, Geminis are not very adept at doing the same activity for long periods of time, and they are frequently scattered, inattentive, and chatty. Geminis are normally highly pleasant, bright, talkative, versatile, and interested, but they can be contradictory, restless, two-faced, and impatient at times. Geminis need to learn to listen, slow down, and concentrate. Lungs, arms, and hands are all affected by health conditions. There is a significant requirement to learn to breathe deeply and often. They hate lengthy periods of sitting at a desk, routine, striving too hard, dull individuals, and long projects. Gemini's careers include teaching, childcare, gymnastics, and travel. Everyone needs an awesome Gemini in their life. So, did you learn something new or something you didn't know about Geminis? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.